Now things have changed, and our journey is not merely of treating you, but treating you right. And the debate always is, if somebody comes to me and I'm seeing a patient, I am reminded of today morning. Sir, he comes with a pain here, I am okay. If he comes with a pain here, I would say go to the kidney guy. Go to the spine guy. So we are limited to this part of the abdomen, not even to the back part, because we don't know. Although we can treat, but we are scared sometimes of making a mistake. And today you just can't make mistakes. For example, there is a guy who is admitted with us. He has a problem, but he went to the sports injury center first because he had a backache. 15 days he was getting all the massage and other things. Then they finally thought that they should have an ultrasound, and he was found with a big tumor. And the tumor had gone and had deposits there. So I'll just show you something which I think is a comprehensive picture. I won't take Dr. Naresh Agrawal told me that I will be given 3 to 5 minutes, and I promise 5 minutes will be most. Then we discuss. So what about Ebola? All of you know about Ebola. How did you know about it? Because of the awareness and the fear. So every one of you can be a specialist today by reading newspapers or by going to internet. But that's what Ebola is, and I know as much as you know, but that's general knowledge. But it comes when there is a fear. Other than that, do you get knowledge, and do you go to a generalist or a specialist? And I want to show you what a general practitioner is. He actually covers most of what we do not know. We only know small part. We specialize maybe in medicine, surgery, any gynae, and after medicine to a higher. But today, this lot of general practitioners has disappeared from India. There are not very good general. In the UK, I don't know if you have touched this point. In the UK, US, you have a family physician. आजकल क्या होता है family physician? All the rich Marwadis or other people, they have a physician who will do all the work for them. But he is not an expert, qualified family physician. So in the absence of that, the specialists take up, can you see all this? Specialists take up a lot of the work what a good certified degree holder specialist can do, general practitioner can do. Now I want you to show this slide. This is a person who is a typical guy who is 45, 50, who eats a lot. He is obese. Now he has diabetes. So this guy will go to a diabetologist. He has high lipids. So he will go to a cardiologist also. He has heart problem. He goes there. He has hypertension. He goes to the cardiologist. He has fatty liver. He will probably come to us. And maybe he goes to a bariatric surgery like Mr. Jaitley. But the bottom line of all this is someone has to understand what it means. So does it interest you?
Yes, yes.
तो मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ. 1 out of 5 Indians has fatty liver. So at least out of these 50, 60 people, I think 10 of you would be having this. So this is my very important message I want to give you. So just to say, fat is central to all these problems, whether it is diabetes, whether it is high lipids, or it is gallbladder stone. Yesterday I saw a lady, 82-year-old. She was perfectly all right. She brought her daughter, who was 61. The 61-year-old lady had a stone of about 19 millimeters. So I asked this lady कि आपने माता जी का टेस्ट कराया? नहीं, मैंने कहा पहले इनका भी अल्ट्रासाउंड कराया. तो 84 ईयर वाली ने नहीं मैं तो बिल्कुल, she was fighting fit like. ultrasound had a big gallstone, but silent. उनको 84 तक बिल्कुल परफेक्ट हेल्थ, बट स्टोन उनके भी. देन आई सेड अब आप अपनी बिटिया का भी कराइए नेक्स्ट टाइम में जब आप आएंगे. शी हैजंट कम. बट दीज आर जेनेटिक डिजीजेस. Gallbladder stone is same as maybe genetic. So what I want to show you is that diabetes similarly, father, mother, family member, lipids in the family, gallbladder stone in the family. पिताजी को ब्लड प्रेशर 60 पे था, इसको 45 पे हो गया, हार्ट अटैक जल्दी हो गया. That is another. Cancers similarly. So cancer is not a cancer; it is a metabolic disease. Simply genes changed in an environment is like a cancer. Same genes are acquired. You put them extra fat, give them extra things, and you change it. Kidney disease. और वो डॉटर है, उसके बच्चे नहीं हो रहे. पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवरी, चेहरे पे बाल आ गए. All these you can actually, central for all that is 10 years before that is your fertility. And that's why I thought as a general physician, as a general layman, you should know this. Number one, I'll give you an example. आपके दोस्त के लड़के की शादी हुई, 26 साल का लड़का, शादी कर दी उसकी. शादी में उसको बहुत सारी चीजें मिली, अपने घर से लाया, लड़की के यहाँ से दहेज आया, पर लड़का अपने साथ एक ब्लड टेस्ट की रिपोर्ट लाया. ब्लड टेस्ट इज ए लिवर टेस्ट. लिवर टेस्ट जैसे हीमोग्लोबिन, आपको पता है, एवरीवन नोज की हीमोग्लोबिन 13 है या 15 है. अगर आपका SGPT 80 है, इफ दिस बॉय हैज कम विद ए लिवर टेस्ट, नॉर्मल 40 होता है, और वो 26 साल के का SGPT 80 है, आई कैन से एट 36 he will have the first heart attack. And the risk is 7 times higher.